Welcome everybody to our second Steam. Woo! We're in a different room today.
Yeah, because we wanted to sit down, I think, right? We're praying for snow with our snowman here. Because it just doesn't feel like winter, does it?
It does not.
No, I know.
We did have a little cold spell, which was cold.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Negative what? Alright, so today we have a little bit of a hodgepodge all over our workstation.
I don't know if you can see all the goodies.
We have a lot of candy things, so that is
I
our
love the smell of marshmallows.
mini theme. Our mini theme is candy.
Candy,
right?
because it's Valentine's Day and we like candy. Really, we just like candy. We want to talk about candy
And we want to eat all the candy.
Woo! That's really how it goes.
So we're talking about what?
So we have
balance. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. We have three different experiments. We don't have an art project this week because they're all candy-based experiments. Yeah, I'm really good at opening things. So, and then we have an extra one that you can do at home by yourself with the things you have in your house. So that's kind of a fun one. That's the one we're gonna showcase in the library.
Yes, that one will be on the library desk so you can see what's going on. Okay, so our first one today though is we are talking about balance and like the center of gravity and weight and all of that.
Yes, mass.
What? Why are you opening the popsicles or the toothpicks?
Oh, I got it wrong.
Yep. We're doing great today, everybody.
That was not what I thought we were doing first.
Alright, you just said balance.
I know.
Alright, so everybody in their we're very good at opening things.
To be fair. Okay, so we're going to clean that mess up.
So everybody should have gotten a nice, it's not a dowel really, it's like a stick dowel type thing. It is super long, super thin, and what we are going to be using it for is it's actually going to be kind of like our balance beam. And so we have 3 books of the same size. You can use anything that you have that is the same size to make something level at your house. And so our rod, I'm going to flip it this way, I think that works better, is sitting on top of our books. And so we've got this space here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put a popsicle stick, and we're going to do some candy. We're going to see how the candy balances on things. And so Jennifer has some Hershey Kisses here.
They're special dark, and they're lovely.
Yep, yep.
And we're going to get a Rolo.
Oh yeah, we want the Rolo now.
So we're going to see which way is more. Is it going to be the Kiss or the Rolo? The Kiss is just chocolate. The Rolo is chocolate with caramel.
I feel like it's going to be the Rolo.
Which is going to be very, I think so too.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait, we're really good. I feel like
you could also hot glue this on and then...
Oh, you can.
Yes, you can. In the center, and then you will just see. We're really good at this.
We're having a good time.
Alright, maybe it's more. Alright, I'm going to hold that. You put on the Hershey Kiss, and then I'll let go.
Oh, what?
Whoa! They are perfectly balanced.
They balanced on each other, which is pretty cool.
And then you can do this, ready? Oh, that's
crash it down. I was going to put another Rolo on there. Okay, fine. And totally comes down, obviously, because
2 Rolos is more.
But what we really want to do is we want to take those marshmallows and see how many.
I'm happy.
Situation.
Giant bag of marshmallows. How many Rolos do you think is the same as a marshmallow?
I think less than 1.
What if I take a bite out of the marshmallow?
I don't know. You don't get to take the bite out of the marshmallow. Alright, so that's a huge marshmallow, right?
Jumbo.
When you look at the size of the marshmallow to the Rolo, like, mine's super tiny. Mine is, like, really, really small. Don't take the bite. It's fine. You will get to eat it after.
Okay. She promises I get to eat it after.
I don't need a big marshmallow in my life right now. So we're going to put that in there.
You're so silly. Everybody needs it. Oh,
will the marshmallow actually stay?
Why are my hands all blue?
No!
I have blue hands.
And so this could be like an experiment in your house, like any other types of things that you have. That marshmallow is gonna... I'm like really trying here to like... There it goes.
So 3 is too many.
More than I thought, and I don't know why. I I wonder. Put the marshmallow. Why is the marshmallow trying
Because
to
I
do it?
have blue in my hands.
Can you put the marshmallow back on, please? No, he needs to be like. I just gave the marshmallow pepper. What is wrong with us today?
We're not very good at balancing, apparently. I wonder how much balances against
This is why I was not a gymnast or a dancer. Okay, I'm done here. But you can do different things at your house and see how the candy weighs up to things. You can use pennies. Money was always fun to measure and balance and see how much it weighs compared to other things. So that is your first one. We challenge you to balance things with our balance beam. That's so gross. That is too big of a. That's bigger than your mouth, dude.
I can fit that in my mouth, but I won't.
Okay, fine.
Because it's rude.
We should do a marshmallow in your cheek program. How many can you fit?
Chubby bunny.
Stay tuned for next year. Yeah. Okay. So what is our next situation here? We're gonna do our gumdrop situation. Okay.
Which is
so
what I thought we were starting with.
it's Jennifer loves this one. And so we have a few different challenges for you. This is all about structure building.
Engineering.
I need scissors.
I'm not the only one.
No, you're not. Alright, so we have for you, everyone's going to get a bunch of different gumdrops.
They are spiced. Just a fair warning.
Yeah, I don't think...
The spiced ones are gross.
They're not that gross. I think they're still, they're still covered in sugar.
They're gross.
Well, that's why we're building with them, everybody. Okay.
Okay, so we have a couple different challenges. They're terrible, right?
Yeah, I was like, where's my water? It's not the jug of vinegar. And so,
Oh, we're putting this on the tray.
Okay.
Because it's sugary. The tray's already sugary. Alright, so your goal is, we have a couple different challenges. One, build a tall tower with gumdrops.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And you can work together. You can see whose tower measures up higher. If
you
have
could
a
do
sibling
a
or friend at home.
timed tower, so it could be like, who can build the tallest tower in 30 seconds, 3 minutes.
I need to eat a Rolo now.
Yeah, you do. I don't know why you don't believe me when I tell you these things. Okay, that's clearly the top of my tower.
No, because then you can do this, ready? Go away.
Yeah, but that's not tall.
Oh.
Ah! That one.
See? No, I know, I broke it on purpose.
What are you doing? So I have triangle towers, and Sam has different towers.
No, I'll show you.
Which is good, because you could work together. You could also make a square tower.
And you need another one to cut in half.
Oh.
No, I'm going crazy with this. Oh. See? And now, you can do another triangle on the bottom, right?
Ah!
What are you doing?
I don't share well sometimes.
No, apparently not. Like, I don't understand. I'm taking the triangle that you made.
I know.
Because are we working together? You made the top.
I'm making more tops for you.
No, I don't want them like that. No.
Too bad. So sad.
Look, so, check us out, guys.
What? Oh.
No, that's not possible.
It is.
Stop. You gotta have to... So we have a tower here. This one, I'm pretty proud of the extra support that I added in the middle. I'm gonna bring this right up to the camera so that you guys can see it. And so here is the makings of our tower. I think it looks pretty good.
Cool.
Yeah.
Here's our triangles. You could wear this as a hat.
Jennifer's gonna have a sugar high after this program.
Yes, I am.
And so other things that we have challenged you to do. You could make an arch, like a bridge.
The Leaning Tower of Pisa.
I wonder if we could make the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Share these in the comments so that we see what your pictures look like.
Ours obviously they started with triangles, but you could also you could try a square version. And, you know, just get creative with it and see which structures hold up the best, right?
And you can take yours apart and reuse them
Yep.
and do those over and over again. So here's, oh.
You're gonna, okay.
I'm gonna do a square.
I'm gonna close up the spice drops.
That she really loved.
Can you put this over on the elephant, please? Thanks, Jennifer.
Alright, I'm playing here, Sam.
Yeah, I see that. Alright. So,
No, I'm not done.
are
So
you doing a
close.
square right now?
Yes, just one square. This is the last one.
I actually think the triangle's more,
I like the
it's
triangle.
It's definitely more stable in my professional opinion.
But this could be the entire piece. It's a cube.
Yeah, that is kind of cool.
Be a
So-
diamond.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So have fun and make some different structures, and then if you're brave, eat the spice drops. Alright, so this
I am
can go
not
on
brave.
to the other side of the elephant now, right? Because we'll use. Okay, so
What's
we
that
have the
elephant
candy
looking
heart
on the floor?
experiment. Nope, that's the fourth thing. We have the dancing heart experiment, which I think we need these ones for. Yes?
Sure.
Versus these ones?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
both of them need these.
So we bought a couple different kinds of candy hearts that we saw because there were sweet hearts
And then
there
there's
was Sour Patch,
Sour Patch Kids hearts.
which I had never seen before.
So
Sweet
we'll
tarts,
get
yes.
a few of each.
And then there is the regular conversation hearts.
The OGs, if you
So
will.
those are the good ones to eat. These are the good ones for
to
the
use your experiments. Yeah, which we have 2 experiments
Yes.
that you'll be using them for. I'm opening this.
Cool.
Alright, we're good. Okay, so the first one is the dancing heart experiment that we are going to do. So you will need a jar or a glass that you can see through, preferably.
So that it can dance.
Yes, and we
So-
need the vinegar.
So this is kind of the same principle as if you were making a volcano, right? So your vinegar and baking soda combine, they fizz, they buzz.
Are we gonna make a mess right now?
No, it's not like,
Okay, good. Alright.
I mean,
Maybe. You never know with Jennifer and Sam.
the hearts are going to dance, and they'll dance for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then you
Yep.
can kind of stir it.
And we'll bring it up, and I'll bring it up and show it up close, and
Alright.
it'll be great.
The recipe's on the other side of the paper.
Oh, okay, great. Yep. Okay, so we need a tall glass, clear glass. A handful of these guys. I'm gonna give it like what, 6? 6 sounds good.
Sure.
I pulled 6 out immediately.
Oh, but what do they say?
All right.
This is the important part.
Well, there's one for me in here. Oh, there's one for Jennifer too. This one says possum, like possum.
Like a dog.
Like, and this one says perfect,
Oh,
which for me. This one says cutie pie. You really can't read these very well. They definitely need to step up their game. This says big OG, but I think it's meant to be
Big hug.
hug. Yep. This one says honeybee,
Oh, it's different.
and ooh, cool cat. I like that one. Very much geared towards me today, huh? I'm the cool
She's
cat.
the cool cat.
Yeah.
I know. Never have been cool, never will be.
Oh my goodness, Jennifer's so cool, everyone. Everyone should come into the library and tell Jennifer that. She's
Totally fine with not being cool.
Okay, so we need.
Okay, so you want your clear cup or glass, whatever you're using, half full of water.
Regular water.
You're going to dump in a tablespoon of baking soda, and you're going to stir that. Which we have a yep, I was just going to say, popsicle stick.
That's like.
We're pretty good. We're going to stir that. You're going to wait until it kind of dissolves a little bit, until it's a little bit clear and you can see.
Should I just keep stirring? Keep stirring.
No, it says let it sit.
Alright.
Do.
Like, odd smell is our glass of vinegar that we're going to use in a minute.
Gross. Maybe we stir that some more. I don't know.
It's settling, okay? It's settling.
Settling. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, there's some blue chunks of something on there. Nice. Okay.
And just so everyone knows, we will not be eating these candy hearts. Nice.
No thanks.
Right?
The good
So,
ones we'll eat.
It says to wait until the water becomes clear again, and ours is definitely becoming clear again.
Oh, yeah.
The baking soda is also settling at the bottom.
Which is good.
And then so the next step Once it's clear, do you think it's clear enough, Jennifer?
I think it's good.
Okay, I think that we really do need to go up to the...
Yes, why don't you drop those in first, though?
I want them to see what happens when I drop them in. Oh, they
Nothing's
just...
gonna
Oh, they
happen.
just... Okay. So I'm dropping in our candy hearts. Oh,
Nothing's
God.
gonna happen.
Alright, good. Alright, so we're coming up to the top here. And then...
Now we're gonna see them dance.
Yeah. And so I am going to pour our vinegar into our cup without overflowing. Oh my god!
Oh, you can see it. They're starting to come up.
This little yellow
Cutie
guy
pie.
is moving.
Cutie pie's going. Oh,
Can I
wait,
add
wait, wait.
more?
Oh, oh. Yeah.
So they are. They're moving around.
Oh,
down
there
here.
goes Cutie pie. Oh.
Tilt like a little bit. There you go. Yeah. I'm just gonna keep adding.
Woo! It's really pretty.
It is cool.
Yeah. I hope I don't spill.
Don't spill. And so they do. They lift up a little bit and they float around a little bit. It's really cute.
They dance. Oh, that one did. The pink one's going.
There we go.
Put on some music. Have a dance party. Whoa,
I'm just gonna do the rest.
whoa! That one went totally sky up.
And so we are making a mess, and it's really fun. And Jennifer has to smell vinegar for the rest of the day. It's gonna be great.
Thanks, Sam. Thanks, Sam.
All right, so this one's all set. We can just put this straight into the sink. Right? Yeah,
But
we're good.
it's fun.
I know it's fun. We're out of it. I'm not
But they're
pouring more
dancing
vinegar.
still.
Oh, there it goes.
See? So you can also kind of just start us off and it'll dance some more too.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm very carefully going to walk this to the sink.
Yeah, I'm scared you're gonna
Trip and fall? I would never.
don't trip and
Sam.
fall.
Boink. Whoa.
Okay.
Just going to set that right there. Okay. So the last experiment is kind of, we did this once with gummy bears. And you're going to take
A few more of your...
probably
Yeah,
about 5 or
maybe.
so in each jar, and you're going to put them in different. What?
I don't know if there's gonna be...
Well, we'll see.
Okay.
So you just put them in different liquids. So they talked about
Coca-Cola.
water, Coca-Cola, hand sanitizer,
Rubbing
vinegar,
alcohol.
rubbing alcohol,
And so you
anything
can use
liquid.
what you want,
Really.
and what you have, and what your parents say is okay, or your
Yep.
grown-up says is okay.
So then you
You
want to see. You kind of want to see like what do you think is going to happen with the different liquids, and then check on them. See what the immediate reaction is.
Yep.
Check on them in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, 2 hours.
The next day.
The next day.
So make a hypothesis on what the liquid's gonna do.
Yep.
And check it over time.
Yeah.
So we will have that on
We'll
display
have ours on display.
in the library at the children's desk. If you've been in recently, you've seen our salt one that we did from last steam,
Didn't work
which we totally
the way
failed,
it
and it's
was
okay.
supposed
But
to
the
be, but-
pencil looks really cool.
It does look cool.
Super cool.
So a lot of fun science things are things that happened because something went wrong, but they discovered something else. So it's cool.
And yeah.
So we hope you have a great time playing with all the candy. You don't get a
Have a
stomach
good
ache because you don't
Valentine's
eat all the
Day.
candy.
A good Valentine's Day.
Sure.
Yay! And we will see you next time for Steam Saturdays.
Yes.
I didn't actually introduce us this time. I'm like so
Oh,
upset. I didn't
Steam
go.
Saturdays.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.